Meghalaya Phutbol Association kalatrai borba ban penbit penbiang ya kijindon kam juga in stadium polo berkumju kamadan yakilan met kepadon NEHU. Kumshi benta kajing Pdiang kajongka yaki artri ki international match hanong ba Shillong. Kawai kade kajing elekai paralok persha yaka Maldives kabanlong haka khat khandai tarik mentau benai but pat sakajing yakun kabadai jongka AFC Asian Cup arhajar arpunyau qualifier persha yaka Bangladesh kabanlong haka arpusan tarik menta uleber. Kani kande kasien peningkong bakajela kan yo yakat kani kakabuk siar kaban penlong ya kum kini kijing elekai hang ni hanong ba Shillong. Mentangin sengap ya kajing batai ke bapania na vice president baru secretary ke MFA uba Cliff Arnongrum baru uba Sunish MCM.
So thank you so much. So actually we are on the platform of preparing for this both the matches both for Maldives and the India Bangladesh AFC qualifiers. So we are now on the preparation with the government of Meghalaya as well as with the IFF for this two matches to happen in Shillong. No, honestly speaking, I was very surprised to see that news in the social media to say that Maldives is not coming to Shillong, whereas MFA we have not received any official intimation from the IFF that Maldives is not coming to Shillong. But whereas mails have been coming to MFA for the Maldives coming to Shillong on a certain date, even today I have received a mail that they even have deputed the match commissioner for the India-Maldives game. So this is I wanted to say that there's nothing as such like that whatever has come out in the social media. So it has been confirmed that Maldives is playing India on the 19th.
And they are coming one day ahead of the scheduled arrival.
Of the scheduled arrival, they requested for that,
yeah.
So we have arranged for it accordingly.
Work is still going on. We are waiting for the machine to arrive from Calcutta. Hopefully in a week maybe everything will be fine. So we'll keep you update.
The other day, me and Cliff and the president, Bahamlet, we had gone for the inspection physically to the ground. We have seen the grass have grown well, but the only thing is that, that it needs, rolling the ground. Otherwise, it's almost okay.
Some undulation is there.
Some undulation is there where it may cause some, inconvenience for the players to have a practice. But then I think it should be okay without the machines coming from Calcutta. So I think first of all, I think AFF must have seen that the Shillong had been hosting the Durand Cup successfully, and as you know, Shillong is a hot tourist destination with the facilities available. So actually there was an offer from the IFF to the Meghalaya Football Association whether we could have this. So anyway, we thought that we would approach the government. I would offer my sincere gratitude to the Chief Minister of Meghalaya who has agreed to support us for this event.
No, that depends on the coach, and we'll see how the performance in ISL. Right now we can't say anything. Right.
So and as you all know that this is the survival of the best.
Yes.
Whoever is the best will be picked up. And I hope that I think many of the Northeast players will be in the Indian team.
And we hopefully maybe if one or two players from
our states could be maybe redeemed, Talang would be included in the team.
Or Rigi Shamung will be very, very happy.
Actually, having these matches I think will give a lot of encouragement to the young players actually. And we thought that that during the days that the Indian team will be camping here in Shillong for around 13 to 14 days. From the MFA side, we have had a discussion that we would have an interaction with the boys of different academies, so that they draw inspirations from these players. So maybe we look at it in a very, very positive way.